comes a slam. Drove me up, I don't give a damn about the crap you have to. To drill on cool, the way you play with me. Now I'm glad that I am free to see whoever I want, to go out with the band. I'm living life at full, not restricted by